Good morning everyone. In previous video we were talking about the water pollution. What is the water pollution? The addition of harmful substances in water is called the water pollution. And how can we keep our water bodies clean? Number first, we must not wash clothes in water bodies. Second, we must not throw garbage in the water bodies. And third, wastewater should be treated first then flow into the water bodies. यानी सबसे पहले उनको ट्रीटमेंट करना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन फ्लो दिस वाटर इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज लाइक रिवर्स, lakes, ponds, etc. Now there are the two things, just like plastic is the non-biodegradable. It means plastic material cannot be destroyed by the microorganisms. Is plastic good or bad for our environment? It is not good for our environment. So there are the two things from this paragraph. One thing, there are the two types. One is the biodegradable, second is the non-biodegradable. In this video we will discuss about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable materials, biodegradable. It is clear spelling, biodegradable. And second is non-biodegradable. So first of all we discuss about the biodegradable waste. The waste that decompose or rot, यानी कोई भी वेस्ट जो गल जाता है या डिकम्पोज खत्म हो जाता है आफ्टर सम टाइम एंड गेट मिक्स्ड विद द सॉइल आर कॉल्ड द बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. तो द वेस्ट दैट डिकम्पोज or rot. Rot means galna. After some time and get mixed with soil is called biodegradable waste. It is clear definition. The waste that decompose or rot after the some time and get mixed with soil. For example, if we are taking the paper, leaves, fruits and vegetable peels or things made up of the wood, biodegradable waste can be converted into the manure by the letting it decompose in the deep covered pit. In deep pit, if we collect these things I have spoken, these are the vegetable peels, the things made up of wood, paper. After some time we will see they become the soil. So these substances are known as the biodegradable waste. It is clear? Now you can tell me, animal waste like the cow dung can be used to produce the biogas and that can be used as the fuel in the village. Second is the non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste do not rot or decompose even after long period of time. Here, who convert this organic matter into the soil? Microorganisms. Microorganisms such as the fungi and bacteria, they convert the biodegradable waste into the soil. Now second one, non biodegradable waste. Non biodegradable waste do not non bio do not rot or decompose for a decompose even after long period of time. It is clear definition. Non-biodegradable waste do not rot or decompose even after a long period of time. Now for this, we are taking one plastic, inside it, and after some time we will see it converting to the soil. So we will see plastic does not convert into the soil. So it means it is the non-biodegradable waste. They remain in the soil such as and polluted it. These included things made up of the plastic, glass, metal, rubber, etc. They do not convert into the manure. We can manage the non-biodegradable waste to some extent by adopting the 3 R's. हम इसको वेस्ट को नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट को 3 R's से कुछ हद तक इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, रीयूज कर सकते हैं और रिसाइकल भी कर सकते हैं. तो नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द 3 R's.